I don't know what to call. I need a name for this.
Vivica.
Vivica? Who do you know named Vivica?
A rich white lady.
You wanna be somebody. You wanna go somewhere. Okay. You better wake up and pay. I need somebody. You're supposed to harmonize with me.
I don't know that song.
You never seen Sister Act?
Oh yeah, that song.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
I was gonna say, y'all, we gotta go. Y'all, if I were to sit church and sit on the front row, what y'all think they gonna say?
The devil out of the front row.
Ah, Jezebel on the front row. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky and I don't normally look like this. However, today I wanted to try something different. I mean, I've done blonde before, but I've never done like a full blonde, like roots blonde. And I actually really like it. I could be her. She could be me. I mean, looking at myself, if y'all could see what I see right now, I mean, you can because you're watching. Wow, that was dumb. When I look at myself, I am in agreement with what I'm seeing. I like this and it's fitting my aesthetic. Do you see the aesthetic that's happening? Like I matched whatever this kind of plant is called. We match. We're here. This hair is from her hair company. A lot of my other YouTube colleagues have tried out her hair company. And so I was intrigued to try some of their hair because I've kind of been into getting custom wigs made. So I was looking for different companies to try and I was like, you know what? I want to try some blonde hair. So her hair company was one of the hair companies that I found that had Eurasian already colored. Because I didn't want to do it. I've done videos where I've bleached hair and I colored it blue, green, purple, whatever colors I've done. And doing it myself was a disaster. Not really, but because it turned out cute, but it was like so damaging. So I wanted to try to like do something that was already like this. So her hair company does have full blonde bundles. And this is their Eurasian hair. It's their blonde 613 Eurasian hair. Before I get to how it ended up like this, I'm gonna give you what I got, okay? 3 bundles of 22, 1 frontal, 16 inches. I did record the entire process of me getting this hair together and done. I did not make this wig myself, just gonna let you know. Listen, I'm 26, right? And I've been wearing wigs since I was like 20. I don't actually like making wigs, if we're gonna be honest. I love to wear them, I don't like to make them, okay? But I do like the customization process. I just don't wanna do it myself, okay? So I had my good friend Princess, who does my hair on the regular. I had her make me a custom wig unit, and if you guys want her information, that'll be in the description box. So she made me a custom unit. She basically just measured my head and made the wig with the hair. I'm gonna stop talking because I want you guys to watch the process of us doing the hair. By the time you see us do the process, the wig will already have been put together, but we're gonna show you how we installed it, okay? So I'm at the shop right now. I thought I'd give you guys a little behind the scenes. So first of all, it ain't ready yet. This is what the hair looks like straight out the box, sewn onto a custom wig unit that Princess made for me. And yeah, so it's on a frontal. We have not done anything to the lace or to the hair. So the hair is, this is the color that it comes in. It's very soft. It was already blonde when we got it. There was no processing to get it to this color. If you want to know how to make a wig, don't ask me, because I didn't make it. And where did Princess go?
Not anywhere around.
Oh my God, she's in here acting bougie. By now I should have already told you what hair this is, where it's from, the inches, and all of that. And of course all the information will be in the description box, but this is her. Obviously this color is very yellow up against my skin tone. It's not very, very yellow, but it still has some yellowy tint to it. We're gonna tone it to get rid of the yellowy tint. Anyways, this is Princess.
Couldn't go on camera looking crazy because y'all be coming for people. I seen it. But we are about to tone this baby. We're going for a more silvery grayish, not a full grayish, but that's technically the color. A T18 through Wella. T18 through Wella. Get all of this yellow, these yellow tones out of it because she is not.
She's not ready. Right? I'm gonna eat while you tone.
Perfect. We're vlogging and toning and eating.
I decided to cut it because, I don't know, one, I feel like this is more me. I just feel like medium length hair is my thing. It's my thing now. To me, this is more manageable. Well, if you know anything about hair, you know that long hair and particularly long blonde or dyed or bleached hair, if it's had any processing done at all, it's gonna shed, right? Well, all hair sheds to a degree, but the longer it is, to me, the longer the hair is, the more it sheds. I don't know how true that is, but that's what I feel. I felt like it would be less shedding if we cut it, and I was right, because when we cut it, like now I can run my fingers through it and not get strands. So I'm guessing it was just the length of it was making, I don't know. Plus, I feel like this makes, not that the hair wasn't full, because the hair was very full before we put it on my head. Like, I could tell the hair was really full and thick. It's all of the bundles, like this is all of the hair, and it is very thick. I feel like this is a really cute style for the spring, summer. So yeah, I will be giving you guys an update within the next couple weeks. So like May 1st-ish. First week of May, I'll give you guys an update on how the hair held up. Obviously, this is not gonna be my everyday look, but I do plan on wearing it a lot because this is cute. And I feel like I can pull this off. I mean, listen, I'm out here. It's 2018. We not playing no games. This is gonna look so good with all of my colors that I wear. If I miss anything, let me know. But what really frustrates me is that I look like this, but I'm not going anywhere. Like, I live in Illinois. Like, I feel like I should be in LA right now. People in LA go to the store like this. They go to the grocery store looking like this. I look like I own a clothing company. I look like I should have an EP. I should have an EP. I go to lunch with people to talk to them about stuff that happened. I look like I get invited to day parties and I wear my Louboutins to my day parties with my Gucci belt and my Gucci Marmont bag, the Balenciagas that look like socks. But I wear Fashion Nova jeans. I actually do have Fashion Nova jeans, so that's a real thing. And I have a Gucci belt. Listen, I could be somebody. I just am placed in the wrong section of the world, but I could be somebody somewhere else. I look like I have a plane ticket to Dubai ready. Like, we're going to Dubai, princess. We're going to Dubai tomorrow. So put on your Vapor Max, sis. We're going. I'm there. I just needed the hair to go with it. I am somebody. Okay, that's it. I will talk to you guys later.